Daniel. I am a student at Adventure Elementary, and my favorite thing about this is music, PE, and art, because art, we do projects, music, we went to a concert, and PE, we do fun things.
Hello, my name is Iker, and I'm here in 8th grade at Global Intermediate Academy. And sincerely, I love being here because it gives you a lot of new experiences, new opportunities, and just a lot of new things you can do here.
Hi, my name is Yami. I'm a sophomore at Global Leadership Academy, and the thing I love most about this school is the staff and how they try to help you as much as they can.
Hi, my name is Lexi. I'm a second grader, and this is Global Primary Academy. And what I love about Global Primary Academy is that they always treat you like their own, and they always will feel happy for you.
Hi, my name is Nathan. I'm in 4th grade. I am Mapleton online because I can show that help with speech. I have a small classroom and your teachers are nice.
My name is Catalina, and I'm an 11th grader at the Performing Arts School on Broadway. Our school is awesome because we have an awesome theater that we all get to be a part of, and we all get to take part in doing different activities together. We're actually working on a full production of The Enchantments of Beauty and the Beast currently. And it's so awesome going to class with all these people because they're really inviting, and it's just really fun to work with them and go to school with them. It's awesome because we all get to collaborate here.
Hi, my name's Kaya. I'm a 6th grader at Trailside Academy, and my favorite thing about Trailside is the playground.